guys, welcome back to West End Roatan. I'm Chris Singer, this is Sophia Video, and we're with Roatan Light Real Estate. Sophia, where are we today?
We're at Villas Del Playa right here on the beach in West End, Roatan.
It is absolutely stunning. Look at this view.
Isn't it wonderful?
It really is. And we're just so close to so many dive sites, and you could just go right out for a snorkel right here.
I'm about ready. It's warm out today.
It is quite hot. So we're going to head in to the unit in just a few minutes, or a few moments. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom inside with 3 bathrooms, and then we're going to head up to the rooftop penthouse where we have our own private plunge pool. Should we take a look?
Sure, let's go.
Excellent. Ooh, I'm very excited. And Sophia, just take note. Oh, there's a lock pad there.
A lock pad here.
Really nice. Oh, you can feel that central air conditioning. It's quite a beautiful condo, isn't it?
It is. It's wonderful. So this is Villas Del Playa number 5, MLS 19-514, and this property is listed at $550,000.
That's a great deal. When you consider how much square footage, it's 3,700 square feet. So you've got 1,800 square feet down here, living, central air, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, full-size kitchen, fully turnkey, fully furnished, ready for either this to be your new home or for any of your vacation rentals.
Wow, that is a great deal. And so are you telling me there's an 1,800 square foot private patio upstairs?
I am, and you know what? It comes with a kitchen. So you could have nice barbecues and you could have some great drinks at sunset in your private plunge pool. That's right, a private plunge pool upstairs ready for partying, entertaining, sunsets, whenever.
Well, I want to see.
Well, we have to see the rest of the place first. Let's go take a look at the secondary and 3rd bedroom. Just
Wonderful.
this way. And Sophia, just so you know, we do have a little dining space just right here. And the condo comfortably sleeps 6 people. So this is nice and easy for indoor dining if somebody wanted to do that. And it has a nice owner's lock-off just off the dining area. But let's go this way. Come on in. So inside this is what I consider the 3rd bedroom. It has the 2 twin beds, which is great for kids or friends, but it could also be slid together for a king, so there's plenty of space. And both of the 2nd and 3rd bedroom actually come with a little private patio if you want to take a quick peek.
Wow, lush jungle views. This is great.
Yeah, and you've got, this is actually a mango tree, I believe.
Oh, looks like I would be making jam.
Or mango margaritas.
That sounds just as wonderful. And this one has its own it has its own ensuite, right?
It does. It has its own ensuite, which is really nice, especially if you have friends and family traveling together. And let's head over and take a look at the 2nd bedroom. So inside here you also have a nice big bedroom, and it also opens up to the patio.
This is a great size.
It is. Have you noticed it has really high ceilings actually?
Nice high ceilings, it has ceiling fans and the central air. So it gives you lots of options to keep cool.
Absolutely, and this unit actually, the back area actually has its own air conditioner. So when you're here by yourself, you don't need to turn it on. If you have your friends and family, you can turn it on.
That's great, and then its own ensuite here as well.
Exactly, and all of the bedrooms have really nice, they all have nice built-in closets.
Lots of really nice features.
Oh yeah. And it's big enough in here. You could put a king if you really wanted to.
There's absolutely room for a king. Wow, in-suite laundry.
Yes, and laundry storage, which is great, and full-size washer and dryer LG, which is really nice.
This is a really nice feature.
It is, it is. And then you also have access to your breaker box, of course, for safety.
I think you could fit luggages up there for
Oh, yeah.
long-term storage if you wanted.
There you go. Should we take a look at the big kitchen?
Yes,
Excellent.
let's. So all very nice appliances. Dishwasher, stove, microwave, fridge. Very nice.
And it's actually, I know this is a bit strange, but it's actually fully stocked. Take a look at all this. It's all labeled. It's ready to go. Fully turnkey.
I found the wine opener.
Excellent. Maybe later. So anyway, it is a nice big space. It does offer a breakfast bar. Again, it's granite. It's also got all the hardwood
Mahogany, right?
mahogany. Yep.
Very
So
nice.
let's go take a look at that master.
Let's go. Oh wow, Chris, look at that view.
It's incredible, right? Can you imagine waking up to that view every morning?
That is just fantastic. This is what I call island living.
Absolutely.
And this is a king-size bed?
It is a king-size bed, which is great. And you've got the nice little architectural feature as well up here. And again,
Central air.
central air.
And then you also have the ceiling fans. And then what is this? Is this a walk-in closet?
It is. We've got a beautiful walk-in closet. Again, the hardwoods. And then you also have owner lock-off space, which is great. So you could leave your stuff, and then when you want to come back, you just come with an empty suitcase.
That sounds great to me.
And then you've got a huge 5-piece bath. Double sink, which is really nice. You have a toilet closet, a nice shower stall, and a very rare feature on the island, a bathtub.
This is a very large bathtub.
It's actually jets. That's great.
Do you think you can see the ocean from here?
Ooh. Yes.
I sure can.
Absolutely. Let's head on out to the deck. You could open it up and enjoy that sound of the waves every night or every morning.
And there is a nice breeze here.
There is, right off the water. It's great. So just a couple things to note while we're standing here. They do have a nice shared dock access, so you can catch a water taxi, you can pick up your dive boat, whatever you'd like, just right here off the beach, which is great.
So you can either drive in West Bay or West End.
Yeah.
Quick water taxi ride to West Bay, which is one of the nicest beaches in the world, if this one doesn't do.
Exactly. And you also, if you can take a quick dip lounge, we do have another common area pool.
That's quite nice.
It is. Should we head upstairs and take a look at that rooftop patio?
I can't wait to see it.
Let's head upstairs.
Oh wow, Chris, feel that Caribbean breeze.
Oh, it's beautiful up here. Can you imagine watching the sunset or looking at the stars at night?
This is just wonderful, and what a great space. This is really big.
It really is. It's huge. You've got a great space to entertain. You have wonderful views, and you can see right down into the reef. It's just gorgeous.
It's gorgeous. And so is this a pool up here?
Yeah, we do have a nice, beautiful rooftop pool. Let's take a look.
Very nice.
take a look at the new bar top. So as you can see, it's fully furnished. So you've got plenty of sun chairs here for everybody to enjoy some laying out, maybe relaxing under the stars, enjoying some morning coffee, or better yet, maybe a dinner party. Let's go take a look. And as you can see, you have beautiful pine trees right next door. So you actually have an off-suite or an off bathroom just here, which is quite nice.
That's super nice. That way your guests don't need to go downstairs.
Exactly.
They're in the pool.
And then there's actually an outdoor shower so that you don't even need to go downstairs to rinse off.
Wonderful.
Yeah. And then we have the great outdoor kitchen space.
This is what I call an outdoor kitchen space. This is a full kitchen, Chris.
It is. You've got a beautiful granite countertops. You've got everything you need to make some drinks, make a quick dinner. You've got a stove, you've got barbecue, full refrigerator. And this is what we call island living.
And you have electricity up here so that you can do margaritas, you can
yes.
do blended drinks, everything.
Absolutely. And they actually have a big craps table, so if you really want to entertain and have a Vegas night if you want, you can.
I know, this is where the guys would be hanging out.
Yes, that's very true. So should we go take that view in one more time?
Let's go. So Chris, do these owners live here full time?
They don't actually. They actually use, it's actually managed by Roatan Vacation Rentals, and they've been averaging about $14,000 a year net profit. So it pays for itself, which is great.
That's wonderful. So there are great management companies on the island that can take care of all of those needs if you don't want to be here full time?
Absolutely. It's completely turnkey. You don't need to lift a finger. They'll take care of everything from the rentals to the repairs, anything you need.
Wonderful.
And there is an HOA on the property, and that does include the roof maintenance and the grounds maintenance and security, the common area pool, the beach and dock, everything that really goes into the property.
And how much is that HOA?
It's about $8,000 a year.
Okay.
Yep, but it does cover everything. It's about $2 a square foot. It's about the average. That's where you go.
Well, that really does make it carefree.
It is, actually. And with it netting so much income, you really don't need to worry about it.
Absolutely. Well, Chris, thank you so much for showing me this wonderful property. Once again, we're here at Villas Del Playa in West End, Roatan.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
We'll see you soon. Oh, you can see Utila.